Now, previously we discussed the different gates. First is NOT gate, second one is OR gate, third one is AND, NAND, NOR, and one more gate is remaining. That is sixth gate is an exclusive OR. It is symbolically represent, or its another name is XOR. XOR. In this way, it is termed as. Now, first of all, we discuss its symbol. Its symbol is same as this OR gate. As OR gate symbol we discussed previously. In an OR gate, it is like this. This one is symbol of OR. How many inputs are there? 2. And one input is 1. But only change into this symbol, here it is represent like this. This one is symbol of exclusive OR. Exclusive OR. Here its Boolean equation is A exclusive or B. Exclusive or B. Y is equal to exclusive. It is read as Y is equal to A exclusive or B. Here it is termed as Y is equal to A complement B. Its modification is as like this. A complement of B. This one is termed as or A B complement. This one is about its Boolean equation. Now we discuss its truth table. You know, in truth table how many inputs are there? 2 inputs, A and B. Input A, input B, and Y. Output is termed as a Y. In your textbook, here C is written. You may use C or Y. In all gates, we use here Y. That's why here we will write as a Y. Now, we take its condition. Logically, we verify it from this truth table. If both inputs are 0, then the condition is 0 complement into 0 plus 0 into 0 complement. Now we substitute only the values here. The next step, 0 complement is 1, 0, 1 and 0, or 0 and 1. Mathematically 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Then output is also 0. Here we take as output is 0. Next one. Here, if any one input is 1, anyone will say the output condition now? A is 0. B is 1. A is 0. B is 1. That means 0 complement is, here we erase it. Let's condition, start the condition. 0 complement is 1 and 1. 0 and 0. 1 and 1 becomes 1. 1 and 1 becomes 1. That condition we discussed previously also. Here, now we substitute this value into this part. 0 and 0. 0 and 0 becomes 0. Therefore, it is also the 0. 0 and 0 becomes 1. Similarly, here we write 1. Therefore, we write here 1. Similarly, we take the table of 1, 0. 1, 0, its output is also 1. Here we substitute 1, it is 0. In these conditions, 1 and 0 complement. It is 1 complement is 0, 0, here 1, here it is 1. 0, 0 becomes 0, 1 into 1, 1. Therefore output is 1. This is the next condition. Now we discuss the next part. In the next part, here both inputs are 1. If both inputs are 1, that means in this table we substitute 1 complement 1. 1 complement, and here it is B1. A is 1 and it's 1 complement. It is 0 into 1. 1 into 0. This becomes 0 or 0. 0 or 0 becomes 0. Now, from this truth table, which conclusion we draw? Here we draw the conclusion like this. If both the inputs are same, then output is 0. If any one input is 1 or 0, then output is 1. Understand about? This one is all about these gates. Today we discuss the topic logic gates. On these logic gates, there are few questions are also asked to you. Before discussing that question, we discuss about one section, that its uses. Where these logic gates are used. These logic gates are used in a microprocessor, as well as microcontrollers, where we have to control all the outputs. Also in the embedded system and application in the electronics as well as electrical projects, where we have to require desired amount of output. Also in our daily life we use in a burglar alarm and the buzzers. Number of buzzers we use. Then it is also used in the circuits involving computational as well as processing. When we have to computate certain amount, in that case, as well as here, these circuits are also used in a push button part. These are also used in the switches, and all these functions. Now you observe that there are the street lights, signal lights. There we also use these in the signal light, these logic gates. Hence there are the number of applications of this. Now this microprocessor, you know that microprocessor is present in number of circuits. Therefore these logic gates are used in number. Now you are using mobile phones, tablets, then PCs. There is microprocessor is used. In this microprocessor, these gates are used. Simply you say, whenever there is a switching circuits or switching part, in that case we use these logic gates. Okay? These are the few topics related to the logic gates. Understand? Thank you. Here, few questions are given to you. Now we discuss those questions.